Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Charles with TRC, and today we are at TX2K at the Cleanest Racing booth. Right behind me right here, we have Rob's 95 EG Coupe. It's an all-wheel drive monster. It has a K-Series, big turbo, all the works. Let's check this thing out. Power windows, gotta love it.
Yep. So it has 22,000 miles on it since probably 2013 or something like that.
Wow. So you drive it?
Oh yeah, I drive the car a lot.
Oh, that's so sick. You know, the guy has a passion for his car when he drives the race car and actually puts miles on it. Like that.
Yeah, we drive it down to the local track and watch testing tunes, and
hell yeah,
I drive it to all the cruise-ins. We've driven it to E-Town from the Pittsburgh area to watch like fall nationals and stuff. Back when it didn't have a cage in it. And,
loud.
It's loud.
I'm getting a little hint of it right now.
It usually has a full exhaust on it, but it didn't make the trip.
It didn't make it.
Good?
Yeah, whatever. And it just goes.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord.
That was all the power it has. Every bit of it.
And it just goes. That'll get your adrenaline pumping real quick. Yeah. Really quick. And then you just go back to cruising, man.
Yeah,
like
just dump it in 6th gear and just go for a cruise.
Oh, it's a 6-speed?
It's 6-speed.
Oh, yep. Dude.
It has a base 5th and a Type S 6th gear in it.
Very nice. Very nice. This is by far the most fun I've had in the Civic. Oh my God.
You know, and I absolutely hated the car once I got it done and it was front wheel drive. Like I was like, I'm over this thing, it sucks. I have all the power taken out of it, it blows the tires off, this thing's stupid. And then we did this.
Wow.
And it was like a whole different car.
I'm speechless. Dude, and we still have the cup holders. Like, dude, this thing is...
put my coffee in there, man.
Dude, this thing is so sick. A smile machine. Smile machine, guys. Like, oh wow. Well, dude, thank you so much.
You're
like
welcome.
this was a blast. Rob, how's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Good, it's nice to meet you, brother. This thing is probably the cleanest Civic here at TX2K. I absolutely love all-wheel drive Civics. It's absolutely beautiful. So what can you tell me about the car?
I bought the car many years ago, probably I'd say around 02, 03.
Okay.
Actually back when Honda Tech was big.
Wow, okay.
It was on a part out thread. They were basically going to toss the chassis using it as a shed.
Really?
And I bought it. It was basically the doors and quarters. And
wow.
Brought it home. It sat for about a year until I bought a parts car and collected a bunch of crap for it.
As you do.
And yeah, and then put it in the booth at my friend's place and DA'd it down and painted it.
Wow.
And then we slowly started putting a K-Series in it. Back when Ks were not there.
So this is definitely like something that's been in the making for a long time.
Yeah. Now it's not a brand new car that's just been done. I've had this car on the road for, close to 20 years now.
Wow. So what all is done to the car, if you wouldn't mind walking me around it and kind of walking me through the build?
Hey, it's a K28.2 with CRV trans.
Okay.
It's got the stock wagon drive shaft shortened.
Okay.
Wagon rear untouched, just fluid in it.
Really? Okay.
Yep, insane shaft rear axles and Hub City Performance rear lower control arm setup.
Wow. Okay. And you're running these slicks on here. I see those are what are those, Mickey Thompsons?
Yeah, Mickey Thompson 24.5 815s on a set of 15x7 slips.
I also saw that the car is it a full interior?
Yep, full interior car. It's all there. The heat works. The radio still works. It's got all 4 speakers in it still. It's got S2000 steering wheel.
Okay.
It was a factory no AC, factory no power steering car.
Wow.
So it still has no AC and no power steering.
Wow.
It didn't even have the back speakers. Like that.
Wow.
That back shelf's from an EX car.
Would you mind popping the hood for us and
Yeah,
showing
sure.
us the infamous K-Series?
Super simple little car anybody could do.
Oh wow. Ooh. Okay, I like the sparkles.
Yeah,
First
I
off,
like to party.
My name is Rod, and I like to party.
yeah, this is this is awesome. So what can you tell me about the build?
Went solid motor mounts because every time back when it was front wheel drive, it used to spit the urethane out of the motor mount for some unknown reason.
Interesting.
And I don't really care about the vibration, so we just put some billets in a lathe and spun some inserts for them because these are like Avid mounts from many years ago, and they didn't make anything for them.
Hell yeah.
So and then it's a K28.2 setup. It's a Manley rod with Elias HD pistons with the big pins in them.
Okay.
It's a CSS block with O-rings in it.
Wow.
Stock head gasket, inline pro head studs, stock port, stock valve with a set of Supertech springs, and Brian Crower all motor stage 2 cams.
Wow. And what size turbo is that?
That's a 6466 with a 82 T3 backside that's screaming for help.
That's a legit setup right there, my man. This is gorgeous. I love.
Thank you.
You know, Civics have a special place in my heart.
Yes.
But this one, I feel like this is like I said, the cleanest one here at TX2K. It's really not.
Nothing really crazy. I shaved a couple holes, and the battery and fuse box and everything fits where it's supposed to, so why move it? Still has actual, like, the brakes from the factory, like the booster, so it still drives like a normal car. It's got a giant radiator with 2 fans in it, so we can drive it anywhere we want.
Wow.
It runs on pump 85 on not kill. When it's on kill, I put Ignite Red in it.
Okay, cool. Well, very nice. Can we take a look at the interior as well?
Sure.
And you said it has like all the stock interior in it, minus the steering wheel and obviously the cage and the seats, but
Yep, still has like the factory floor mats in it.
Wow.
No gauges, just a shift light. Yeah, down to the GSR shift knob even.
Wow, dude, this is so clean. Like door cards, like y'all.
And the door cards are split door cards. This is the DX, and then this is the EX.
Okay.
To get the power windows in it, because with the cage and the seats and stuff, and
It can be hard to roll up those windows.
yeah, you know, after many years of Hondas and power and the manual crank windows, I was just like, you know what, let's do this.
Yeah. Would you mind starting it up for me so I can hear that exhaust?
Oh, the exhaust is really loud right now. It fell off.